instant liquid batter roti. Just uses 3 ingredients, no kneading or rolling required, and it's ready under 10 minutes. Let's see how to make it today. Welcome to Cook with Dhaval. Here I am taking 1 cup of atta or whole wheat flour, to which I will add salt to taste and 1.5 cups of water. Now depending on type of wheat flour you are using, it would have different absorption capacity. So start with 1:1 ratio. If you are taking 1 cup of flour, start with 1 cup of water and add rest of half cup slowly. Whisk it well to make it into smooth, thick batter. Be sure that it doesn't have any lumps. I'm going to add oil around a teaspoon. It is very important to rest this batter for 5 minutes so that we would allow gluten formation. Gluten has unique viscoelastic and adhesive properties, which gives our batter elasticity, helping it to rise and keep the shape of our roti nice and round. Give batter a good mix and heat up griddle to medium heat and pour nice round shaped batter to make our liquid batter rotis. I'm using back of the spoon to spread the excess batter and shape it round. Be sure that your griddle is set on medium heat. For gas mark 5 or on medium works the best. A good reference point is to set up heat lower than usual. This roti is made with batter instead of dough, so it has extra moisture content. So this roti is going to take longer to cook. So it's very important to be patient while cooking this roti. It will start leaving the sides. You can lift it up and just cheat a bit to get an idea when to flip it. Roti is a round flat bread native to Indian subcontinent, made from whole wheat flour, traditionally known as gehu ka atta or Kanik. It's also known as Chapati or Pori. Also, I would highly recommend to use non-stick tawa to make this recipe. The word roti is derived from Sanskrit word rotika, means bread. As soon as moisture starts evaporating, you can see small bubbles. This is the time to flip it and let it puff. I know there are various breads worldwide, so let me know in comments what is specialty bread from your area. Once it's cooked well on both sides, you can add a little bit of ghee or oil so to make it even more crispy and tasty from outside. I'm pressing it occasionally from the spots from where steam is trying to escape. This is the best way to let your roti puff on the tawa. Fun fact, roti is eaten widely across the Caribbean, especially in countries with large Indo-Caribbean populations. This everyday Indian flatbread was a staple growing up, one that I ate every single day. Roti, chapati or pori is made from whole wheat flour and nothing else, and it is unleavened flatbread. You can enjoy it with various curries and dals. Do give it a try and let me know if you like it. And if you liked this video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, cook with Dhaval and spread the joy. Thanks for watching.